Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clear your cache on TikTok. Now you'll want to do this if you're running into a problem on TikTok where it's being really slow or you're having any kind of a glitch. And this is also something that I would recommend if you're running out of space on your phone and you use TikTok a lot. Scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, go to TikTok, click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Under Cache and Cellular, go to Free Up Space. So as you can see, I currently have 11.33 gigabytes of TikTok data, and it says it occupies 5% of my device's storage. Now you're going to clear the cache. It says clear your cache to free up space. This won't affect your TikTok experience. Click on Clear, click Clear again, and now I have 5.86 gigs of TikTok data.